Alright, what's going on, guys? T-Tor is back here for another video. So if you're stopping into the channel for the first time, I also have a 2017 Honda Civic Si that I also am still currently building on my channel. But this is the new truck that I'm going to start my build on. It's a 2008 GMC Sierra 2500 Duramax. Four-wheel drive, has 140,000 miles on it. Truck's in good condition. Just got done washing and waxing it. Now, I don't really know a lot about this actual Duramax or the 6.6 engine, but I have a few friends, you know, that own diesels and actually own this exact same LMM motor. So they recommend a lot of good parts for me. So I'm super excited to unbox today's mods. It took about 2 weeks to get them in, so I got this on a Friday, and it was all I could do to just get home and get the box off the front porch, because I'm super excited to tear into this stuff. Alright, so I had a lot of people recommend this company to me, and what we have here is their high flow bundle kit. And comment down below before I unbox this and guess at one of the powder coating colors that I got. No one's gonna guess. It's really crazy and off the wall. But without further ado, let's get to unboxing this stuff and show the world what I got. Alright, so let's get to unboxing. And a lot of people always made fun of me for not having a box cutter, so I've got a box cutter now, so no one can make fun of me anymore. How about not having a box cutter? I love that they have a Made in America sticker. That's just awesome. Alrighty, so be careful. There is some staples on there. So as you can see, they send me some Wcfab stickers. Oh, nice. They send me a 2019 catalog. Sweet. Then they send me some more product information. We'll look at that here in just a minute. Alright, who's ready to see the powder coating color that I chose? Oh, man. Alright, so as you can see right here, here is the downpipe. It's already heat wrapped. That's awesome. I'm going to lay all these parts out here in just a second. Oh man. This is awesome. Alright, we got some coupler, a coupler, and some clamps. That's always good to have. They did a very good job packing everything, that's for sure. Alrighty, get this out. That piece out. This piece. As you can see, this is the color I went with, but I cannot wait to unwrap it and see it in true daylight without the bubble wrap being on it. Alright, I believe that's everything. Alrighty. So as you can see, this is the high flow bundle kit. Okay. Also got your downpipe. You got your Y bridge in the valley. O-rings, gaskets, filter cover for the intake. So let me take you guys off the stand and just give you a little peek. This is the air filter. Okay, air filter, product book, downpipe, intake, Y bridge. Yeah, let's go ahead and get to unboxing this or unwrapping this and looking at the color. Alright guys, I just unwrapped the intake because that is going to be the first modification we're going to do. Check out this intake piece. Let's take it out in the light. I think this is going to look awesome under the hood of this gray truck. I am super duper excited. I'm not gonna lie, I did think that, or I thought that the kiwi green was going to be a little bit brighter, but it's still awesome. I am super duper excited to get this on the truck. Take a look at how massive this air filter is going to be. So the next video that I'm going to be posting on the channel is going to be me doing the actual cold air intake install. Shouldn't be too hard. I've seen a couple of videos online. The Y bridge and the hot side intercooler pipe and the cold side intercooler pipe are going to be done another day. The down pipe also is going to be done another day because I actually really want to do the down pipe next after the cold air intake, because I have the 5-inch Flow Pro exhaust and I already have the DSP5 switch, PPEI by Corey Willis. So I'm trying to do this in stages and I want to do it the right way. So I'm going to go ahead and do the intake. That should be easy install. Next, I have the down pipe. And while I'm doing the down pipe, I'm going to go ahead and do the PCV reroute and then do the actual 5-inch Flow Pro exhaust with no muffler. And then once I get to learning more about the engine bay and how all the components work and tying together, then I'll do the intercooler piping. That shouldn't be too hard. I've seen some videos on the internet, but this Y bridge is definitely going to be a learning experience for me. So as you can see here, this is the kit that I ordered right here, all these pieces, and you get of course all the supplied hardware. Now I do know that there's a gasket that has to go into the inlet side of the turbo, so one of these is going to go on there, and then this is like a dust cover sock for the actual intake itself. So this is going to be a huge learning experience for me, but I'm super excited to bring another build to the channel. Hopefully it brings, obviously new content, new followers, and I'm building a truck, and I've always wanted a diesel growing up, so I'm actually able to make this happen. So this is just a quick, short, actual install video. And if some of my viewers are interested in turbocharged 4-cylinders, this car does have a Garrett 2860R big turbo on it. But yeah, that's going to be all the time we have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for stopping into the channel. And just one quick note, I do want to just go over everything that comes in the kit. You get the 3-inch Y bridge center section, the 3-inch Y bridge inlet pipe, 3-inch hot side intercooler, cold side intercooler, 3-inch, 4-inch inlet air filter, which that's the air filter right there. Then you have the 4-inch intake with slotted mass air sensor, of course, and then you got the 3.5-inch turbo inlet horn, which is that guy right over there. And then of course you have the actual down pipe, the down pipe itself, and of course you have all the supplied couplers, gaskets, and clamps. All right, I wanted to give you guys a look at the actual Y bridge. Man, this thing is freaking massive. I'm going to definitely have my work cut out for me to install this. I've heard this is a several hours worth of a job. It's all right, we're gonna get it done. All right, please excuse my office, it's still a mess. Does anybody know how much time it takes to install this downpipe? I heard it's a pain in the rear. And then if you know about the cold side intercooler piping, please comment down below, let me know how long that takes, and then estimated Y bridge time install. I watched Truckmaster do it, and that was I think it was like a 20 to 30 minute video, so I know that probably took several hours. And then I also have my EGT probe that I still got to do. I've got my EFI Live auto cal that I need to install with the DSP5 switch. That's all going to be a learning process also. And then this up pipe. That's all going to be something that I have got to learn. I'm super excited to learn about all this stuff. Yeah, so like I said, thank you all for your continued support. Please add me on Instagram, Torres 1183. That's my Instagram page. I'd love to mix my following up. Right now, my following is based off of, my Honda Civic. So I'd love to get more truck people so I can talk to them, DM them, message them, bounce ideas off them. Because truck forums, they're pretty they're pretty toxic, I guess you could say. Just like the Honda community is pretty toxic, and like I need some truthful information. And I understand there's more than one way to skin a cat, but I need to be able to connect with some people. Hopefully here in Florida I can get with some local guys and figure some stuff out. So, and then like I said, I have this probe I need to do, and then this baby right here. I cannot wait to install this. And then future mods, I'm going to do the EGR delete, all that stuff. So I was lucky enough to get my hands on the 5-inch Flow Pro exhaust without a muffler. So once again, thank you all for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Back to my pulse flat, we keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black, got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin', doing this is my calling. Flow is so up.